Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am going to try to do one of those glass containers that has the I guess this is more like mirror broken glass. It's a reflective glass. And here's some more of it. But I've looked at some videos on how to do this, and they don't tell you everything that you need to know. And one thing that you need to know is you want to make sure that this is some fine glass. You don't want big chunks in it. Like this has some big chunks in there. You don't want the big chunks like that. You'd want something, I don't know, pretty darn near to powder, really. But we're going to try hand at it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to break this up a little bit more before I use it. These vases, I bought these this past Christmas, and they were marked down. So they won't sell. I ordered them, I got them, and they're cloudy. See how cloudy they are? Now these are clean vases, but every single one of them are cloudy. And I got a set of 3. They're different sizes, so this is 2 of the sizes, and the other one, of course, is bigger than this one, or taller than this one. So the best thing I can think of is to maybe cover them with this. Let's see how that works. So the bag this stuff come in, it's kind of tough. It's kind of a pretty thick bag, and what I'm going to do is I poured some of it out in these 2 containers, and I'm going to try to break up what remains with my hammer. See if I can get it just a little bit more on the smaller side. Here it is. Can you tell any difference? Can you tell which one has been hit with the hammer and which one has not? Not really. Not really. So I don't think it matters whether I hit it with the hammer or not. It doesn't look like it's breaking it up. This is the one I hit. This is the amount I hit with the hammer. This is the other original size. They look pretty much the same to me, but we'll try and see how this works. All right, down here I have a project board, just a little piece of material, one of the vases, some Mod Podge, and a bag full of sponge applicators. I'm going to use this one. We'll see how it goes. What I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray a little bit of this down here on the material, and then I'm going to take the Mod Podge and put a little bit on the glass vase here, and I'm going to roll the vase in the glass, and we'll see how that works out. Pour my glass out. Line the glass there. I'm going to use a sponge to spread it out because I don't have my gloves on, and this is glass. I don't want it to be in little hills or mounds. I want it to be laid out as flat as possible. Okay. Take my Mod Podge, and as smooth as I can, I'm going to try to take it from the end on up and get it same thickness. So I want it to dry clear and not be cloudy. I say that, and this vase is as cloudy as it can be, but I want it to dry clear on the glass. And I'm gonna roll it, put it up here and roll it across my glass. See if I can get anything to stick to it. Very little stuck to it. So let me try it with the glass, maybe shimmering some over it. What I'm trying to avoid is having glass pop out everywhere. Seems like I got some pieces on there. See, I'm gonna roll it off and see what happens. Oh, okay. So it works. I've put a first layer of the crushed glass on it, and seems to be sticking pretty good. What I want to do is I want to make sure that this dries fully, and then I'll probably put another coat of the Mod Podge on it. It's drying pretty quick in some places, but that's what Mod Podge does. It dries quick. So that is our first layer. Let's let this dry and we'll see what it looks like after it's dry. For the second coat, I think I'm going to use a brush, a little soft brush, to go on here so I can get it in on here even and not have any thick spots. But before I do it, I'm going to run over it a little bit and get the ones that are loose off. And let's put the rest of put a second coat of Mod Podge on here. Okay, the second coat is on and they're drying. Try to put it up against something that you can see everything on it. So, there they are. And once they dry, I'll take a picture of them in their setting, in their new setting.